Hello.
Let's practice English.
Have you ever wanted to speak English, but suddenly no words come to your mind?
Oh yes, that happens to me.
You understand, but you can't speak.
And you feel nervous.
And maybe you stay quiet.
That feels bad.
But don't worry.
Yes, today we will help you.
Today, we talk about what to say when you don't know English.
Simple sentences, real help.
Stay with us. This will change your speaking. So, Mia, how are you today?
I'm good, Alex. A little tired.
Why tired?
I woke up early today.
Oh, same here.
Did you drink coffee?
Yes, I need coffee every day.
Me too.
Without coffee, no English.
That is true.
Now let's start.
Yes.
Many people think I don't know English.
Yes, they feel scared.
But the truth is,
You know some English.
you just don't know what to say.
Exactly.
So, first sentence.
Very important.
Say this. Can you repeat, please?
Very useful.
If you don't understand,
Just say it.
can you repeat, please?
Again.
Can you repeat, please? Mia, can you repeat that?
Of course, I can repeat.
See? Easy. Now, a small story.
Yes.
One day, someone spoke very fast English to me.
Oh no.
I didn't understand.
What did you do?
I said, "Can you repeat, please?"
Good.
He repeated slowly.
Problem solved.
Next sentence.
Let's go.
I don't understand.
Simple and honest.
If you don't understand, say it.
Don't be shy.
Mia, do you understand?
No, I don't understand.
Perfect.
Easy.
Now, another sentence.
I like this.
I don't know this word.
Very useful.
You don't need to know every word.
Just say it.
Mia, do you know this word?
No, I don't know this word.
Good. Now, another helpful sentence.
Let's hear it.
What does it mean?
Very important.
If you hear a new word,
Ask this.
what does it mean? Now, quick practice.
Ready?
I don't understand.
Good.
Can you repeat, please?
Nice.
Can you speak slowly?
Perfect.
Now, another sentence.
I like this.
Can you speak slowly?
Very important.
Many people speak fast.
Yes, too fast.
So say,
Can you speak slowly?
let's practice.
Repeat after us.
Can you speak slowly?
Again.
Can you speak slowly?
Good job.
Now, another funny moment.
I love this.
One time, I didn't know this sentence.
Oh no.
Someone spoke very fast.
And?
I just smiled. I understood nothing.
That is funny.
Now I always say, speak slowly. Next sentence.
Yes.
I don't know this word.
Very useful.
You don't need to know every word.
Just say it.
Mia, do you know this word?
No, I don't know this word.
Good. Now, another helpful sentence.
Let's hear it.
What does it mean?
Very important.
If you hear a new word,
Ask this.
what does it mean? Now, quick practice.
Ready?
I don't understand.
Good.
Can you repeat, please?
Nice.
Let me think.
Perfect.
Now, if you were watching,
Yes.
write in comments,
Yes.
I am learning English.
We want to see you.
Don't be shy. Now, let's go deeper.
Okay.
Sometimes you forget words.
Yes, that happens.
You want to say something,
But no words.
then say this.
What?
How do I say this in English?
Oh wow, very useful.
Mia, how do I say pani in English?
Water.
See? Easy.
Very helpful sentence.
Now, a story.
Yes.
One day, my friend forgot a word.
What did he do?
He said, "How do I say this in English?"
Good idea.
And he learned a new word.
Nice.
Next sentence.
I'm ready.
Give me a moment.
Oh, yes.
When you need time,
Use this.
give me a moment. Mia, answer fast.
Wait, give me a moment.
Good. Now one more.
Let's go.
Let me think.
Very natural.
You don't need to answer fast.
Yes, take your time.
Let's practice.
Repeat.
Let me think.
Again.
Give me a moment.
Good.
Now, another funny moment.
Tell me.
One time, someone asked me a question.
And?
I stayed quiet.
Why?
I didn't know what to say.
Oh, no.
Now I say, let me think.
Much better.
Now let's talk about confidence.
Important topic.
Many people feel scared.
Yes, very scared.
But listen,
Yes?
it is okay to not know everything.
That is true.
You can still speak.
With simple sentences.
Exactly. Now, tips time.
Let's help them.
Tip 1. Speak simple.
Don't use big words.
Tip 2. Use helping sentences.
Like, I don't understand.
Tip 3. Practice daily.
Even 5 minutes.
Tip 4. Don't fear mistakes.
Mistakes help you grow.
Now, second engagement.
Yes.
Repeat with us.
Ready?
I don't understand.
Good.
Can you repeat, please?
Nice.
Let me think.
Perfect.
Now, pause the video.
Yes.
Try to speak 3 sentences.
Take your time.
Let's do a quick recap.
Today we learned many sentences.
I don't understand.
Can you repeat, please?
Can you speak slowly?
What does it mean?
How do I say this in English?
Give me a moment.
Let me think. These sentences help you speak.
Even when you don't know English.
Very powerful.
Very simple.
Now, a question for you.
Yes.
What do you say when you don't understand?
Write in the comments.
Keep it simple. Thank you for learning with us.
You are doing great.
Keep practicing every day.
You will improve.
Don't forget to like this video.
And subscribe to our channel.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.